Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to reset. First, confirm the device is powered and on the right input. If you plan to use the Google Home app, open it now and find your Chromecast card. Once done, tap the device, then the gear icon to open settings. This starts the software reset path. Alternatively, if you prefer a hardware reset, locate the little button on the Chromecast dongle. Hold it as I'll explain next, because that method is immediate and doesn't need Wi-Fi. You'll now perform the actual reset. Using the app, tap More or the three dots, choose Factory Reset and confirm when prompted. This sends the reset command over the network and is safe. If you chose hardware, press and hold the dongle button about 20 to 25 seconds. Watch the LED change, flashing then solid, then release to trigger the wipe. Make sure you let the device complete the reboot sequence. Interrupting power can leave it in a failed state. Once the Chromecast reboots, treat it like a new device. Open Google Home, follow on screen setup, and sign back into your account. If the device fails to reset, first swap to the original power adapter and repeat the hardware or app procedure, because low or unstable power often blocks factory resets. If problems persist, reboot your phone and router, try a different USB power source, and then attempt the reset again. If it still won't respond, contact
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.